If you're looking to build your career, expand your network, and establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry, you're in the right place. Let's get started. LinkedIn, founded in 2003, has grown into the world's largest professional networking site with millions of users. It offers a plethora of features and tools to help professionals showcase their skills, connect with like-minded individuals, and share valuable content related to their expertise. One of LinkedIn's core strengths is its emphasis on collaboration. You can leverage your connections to find career opportunities, receive advice, and expand your professional network. Plus, it's an excellent platform for job hunting. Beyond networking, LinkedIn provides a space for professionals to share and interact with industry-related content. By posting articles, sharing messages, and engaging with others, you can position yourself as a thought leader and elevate your visibility. Now, let's explore some of the incredible benefits you can enjoy by taking LinkedIn seriously and leveraging its opportunities. One, build your career brand. Optimizing your profile, showcasing your skills, and sharing valuable content allows you to build a powerful career brand. You will be seen as a business professional whose opinions matter to peers, business owners, and potential clients. 2. Network and connections. LinkedIn's vast network connects you with professionals from various industries. Expanding your connections opens doors to like-minded individuals, mentors, partners, and potential collaborators. These connections can lead you to exciting opportunities in your career journey. 3. Job acquisition. If you're on the hunt for new job opportunities, LinkedIn is a hotspot for recruiters and hiring managers. An active and compelling profile increases your discoverability and boosts your chances of landing that dream job. 4. Business research and career development. LinkedIn provides a wealth of business-related content, including articles and discussions. Joining industry groups and following influencers keeps you updated on trends, best practices, and new ideas, fostering your continuous growth and development. 5. Thought leadership and influence. Sharing your insights and expertise on LinkedIn positions you as a thought leader in your industry. Publishing articles, engaging in discussions, and sharing valuable content not only boosts your confidence, but it opens doors to new collaborations and networking opportunities. 6. Marketing and customers. LinkedIn is not just for job seekers. It's also a powerful platform for business development and customer acquisition. By showcasing your skills, achievements, and past experiences, you attract potential customers and partners looking for services like yours. The advanced search feature allows you to target specific industries, companies, and decision makers for meaningful connections. 7. Education and networking. LinkedIn offers various educational programs, including online courses, webinars, and virtual events. Attending these events provides a fantastic opportunity to learn from industry experts, network with professionals in your field, and gain new insights and skills to propel your career forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more career boosting tips and insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.